Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike, and in today's video I am building a planter box. As you've seen in the thumbnail, it is not your regular planter box. It's a little whimsical, it's a little fun. I got the idea, I was surfing through Etsy and somebody was selling AI generated plans or something. It was an AI generated photo. I said, you know what? I'm going to build that because that's going to be fun. So sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. All right. So far, we have the box. The eyeballs. The eyebrows. The nose. Two feet. Two hands. And on top of the box, we have the trim. And nylon rope for the arms and legs. Now it's time to paint. Alright, that was my fun, whimsical planter box build. I'm not trying to teach or instruct, I'm just trying to inspire. I hope this build inspired you to build something different, to try something new, to have fun. That's what it's all about. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And until my next video, you guys keep building.